Welcome to this video on the amazing benefits of bone broth for gut health. Bone broth has been used for centuries in traditional cuisines for its rich and nourishing properties. It is made by simmering animal bones, cartilage, and connective tissue for an extended period of time, resulting in a nutrient-dense and flavorful broth. In recent years, bone broth has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, particularly for gut health. In this video, we will explore the top 7 ways bone broth can promote gut health and overall wellness. From supporting gut barrier function to enhancing nutrient absorption, bone broth has a variety of nutrients that can help to promote a healthy gut microbiome, reduce inflammation, and alleviate symptoms of digestive discomfort. We will also discuss how bone broth can support joint health, promote healthy skin, hair, and nails, and improve overall immune function. Whether you're looking to improve your gut health, support your immune system, or simply enjoy a delicious and nourishing food, bone broth is a fantastic addition to any diet. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the incredible benefits of bone broth for gut health. 1. Promotes gut barrier function. The gut barrier is a thin layer of cells that lines the digestive tract, acting as a protective barrier between the inside of the gut and the rest of the body. When the gut barrier is compromised, harmful substances such as toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles can pass through the gut wall and enter the bloodstream. This can lead to inflammation, immune dysfunction, and a range of health issues. The gelatin and collagen found in bone broth are essential for maintaining and repairing the gut barrier. Gelatin is a protein that is rich in the amino acid glycine, which is known to play a critical role in maintaining the integrity of the gut barrier. Collagen is another protein found in bone broth that is rich in amino acids such as proline and arginine, which are essential for the production of collagen in the body. Consuming bone broth regularly can help to improve gut barrier function by providing the essential nutrients needed to maintain and repair the gut lining. This can help to prevent the passage of harmful substances into the bloodstream and promote overall gut health. Additionally, bone broth is easy to digest and can help to soothe and heal the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of digestive discomfort and promoting optimal gut function. In summary, bone broth is an excellent source of gelatin and collagen, which can help to improve gut barrier function and prevent the passage of harmful substances into the bloodstream. Consuming bone broth regularly can promote overall gut health and alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders. 2. Supports intestinal inflammation. The amino acids glycine, proline, and arginine found in bone broth have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, making bone broth an excellent choice for promoting gut health and alleviating symptoms of digestive disorders. Inflammation in the gut can cause a range of symptoms, including bloating, gas, constipation, and diarrhea, and can contribute to the development of chronic digestive disorders such as inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Consuming bone broth regularly can help to reduce inflammation in the gut by providing these essential amino acids, which can support the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes. Glycine, in particular, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and can help to reduce oxidative stress in the gut. Proline is another amino acid found in bone broth that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help to support the healing of the gut lining. Arginine is an amino acid that plays a critical role in the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that can help to reduce inflammation in the gut. Overall, consuming bone broth regularly can help to support intestinal inflammation, reduce symptoms of digestive disorders, and promote overall gut health. 3. Enhances nutrient absorption. Bone broth is a rich source of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for the absorption of nutrients in the gut. Calcium is an essential mineral that plays a critical role in bone health and muscle function, but it also helps the gut to absorb other nutrients such as iron, zinc, and magnesium. Magnesium is another mineral that is important for overall health and is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body, including the absorption of other minerals. Phosphorus is also important for overall health, as it plays a role in bone health, energy production, and the absorption of other nutrients. In addition to minerals, bone broth also contains other nutrients such as amino acids and collagen, which can help to support gut health and improve nutrient absorption. The amino acids in bone broth can help to break down food and improve digestion, while collagen can help to soothe and heal the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and promoting optimal nutrient absorption. Overall, consuming bone broth regularly can enhance nutrient absorption, promote overall gut health, and support the body's natural processes for optimal health and well-being. 4. Supports the gut microbiome. The nutrients found in bone broth, such as collagen, gelatin, and amino acids, can help to promote a healthy gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem of trillions of microorganisms that live in the digestive tract. These microorganisms play a critical role in digestive health, immune function, and even mental health. Consuming bone broth regularly can help to support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can improve overall gut health and support the body's natural processes. Collagen and gelatin, which are abundant in bone broth, are known to have prebiotic effects, meaning they can help to support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Additionally, the amino acids found in bone broth can help to promote a healthy gut microbiome by providing the essential building blocks for the growth and maintenance of these microorganisms. A healthy gut microbiome is important for overall digestive health, as it helps to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. It is also essential for immune function, as a healthy gut microbiome can help to prevent infections and support the body's natural defenses. Furthermore, the gut microbiome has been linked to mental health, as it can influence the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, which are important for mood regulation. In summary, bone broth can help to support a healthy gut microbiome by providing essential nutrients such as collagen, gelatin, and amino acids. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall digestive health, immune function, and mental health, making bone broth an excellent choice for promoting optimal gut health and well-being. 5. Reduces digestive discomfort. Bone broth is known to have a soothing effect on the digestive tract and can help to alleviate symptoms of digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, and constipation. The gelatin and collagen found in bone broth are particularly beneficial for reducing digestive discomfort. Gelatin can help to coat and protect the digestive tract, reducing irritation and inflammation. It is also a natural source of glutamine, an amino acid that is essential for maintaining the health and function of the intestinal lining. Collagen, on the other hand, is a type of protein that is abundant in bone broth and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation in the gut can lead to symptoms of digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, and constipation. Consuming bone broth regularly can help to reduce inflammation in the gut, reducing these symptoms and promoting overall digestive health. Overall, bone broth can be an excellent choice for reducing digestive discomfort and promoting optimal gut health. The gelatin and collagen in bone broth can help to coat and protect the digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and support the health and function of the intestinal lining, making it a natural and effective remedy for digestive issues. 6. Supports joint health. Bone broth is rich in compounds such as glucosamine and chondroitin, which are known to support joint health and reduce joint pain and inflammation. Glucosamine is a natural compound found in cartilage and is essential for maintaining the health and function of joints. Chondroitin, on the other hand, is a structural component of cartilage that helps to cushion and protect the joints. Regular consumption of bone broth can help to provide the body with these important compounds, supporting joint health and reducing joint pain and inflammation. This can improve overall mobility and quality of life, particularly for those who suffer from conditions such as osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. In addition to glucosamine and chondroitin, bone broth is also rich in other nutrients that can support joint health, such as collagen and amino acids. Collagen is a major component of connective tissue, which includes joints, and can help to support the health and function of joints. Amino acids, such as glycine and proline, can also help to support the synthesis of collagen in the body, further supporting joint health. In summary, bone broth can be an excellent choice for supporting joint health, reducing joint pain and inflammation, and improving overall mobility and quality of life. Its rich content of compounds such as glucosamine, chondroitin, collagen, and amino acids make it a natural and effective remedy for joint-related issues. 7. Promotes overall health and well-being. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense food that is rich in a variety of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, making it a great choice for promoting overall health and well-being. One of the key benefits of bone broth is its ability to support healthy skin, hair, and nails. The collagen found in bone broth is essential for maintaining the health and elasticity of the skin, which can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promote a more youthful appearance. Collagen is also a major component of hair and nails, helping to strengthen and support these structures. In addition to promoting healthy skin, hair, and nails, bone broth can also support immune function. The amino acids found in bone broth, such as arginine, can help to support the immune system by promoting the production of white blood cells and antibodies. Bone broth is also rich in minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. These minerals are also important for supporting overall health and well-being, playing a role in everything from muscle function to nerve transmission. Finally, bone broth is a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues throughout the body. Consuming bone broth regularly can help to support muscle growth and repair, as well as overall energy levels. In summary, bone broth is a nutrient-dense food that can promote overall health and well-being. Its rich content of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and protein make it a great choice for supporting healthy skin, hair and nails, immune function, strong bones and teeth, and more. In conclusion, bone broth is a fantastic food for promoting gut health and overall wellness. Its nutrient-rich properties, such as collagen, gelatin, and amino acids, can help to support gut barrier function, reduce inflammation, enhance nutrient absorption, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Whether you're struggling with digestive discomfort, looking to improve your joint health, or simply want to add a delicious and nourishing food to your diet, bone broth is an excellent choice. So, I hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of bone broth for gut health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. And, as always, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Thank you for watching.